salute, gang. It's Shiesty Grows 420, and I'm back with another video. And in today's episode, we will be starting a new grow. And this is what I would like to call a low budget grow. Cause in this grow, we will be using Freebie Seeds. So we got Pandalorian by NASC Seeds. We have RS11. It's a white label by North Atlantic. And we have Necromancer Kush by Dirty Bird Genetics. So if you're new and this your first time stopping by the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave your boy a like. Go ahead and comment down below. And like I said, guys, this will be a low budget grow because we're rolling into the summer months. And me personally, when I get to the summer months, I like to go ahead and take a chance on some of those freebie beans that I got with some of my orders, because it's a lot harder to control the temps. So why take a risk on damaging some seeds that you paid a lot of money for when you could grow those in the cooler temps later on in the season and they'll come out perfect. So in the summertime, I like to go ahead and grow some of these freebies and see if I get a winner, I'll re-veg it out. If I don't, hey, it's more smoke for me. And also, by growing these freebie beans that you don't have really a lot invested into, you can fix little quirks in your grow. Maybe try some different feedings, or maybe try some different tips, maybe some LSTing or some different topping. Take a chance and try to see what you can do as a grower. Because a lot of times when we spend a lot of money on beans, we definitely take less risk in the grow. I would say I do, because I'm not trying to waste my $150, $200 on these beans and grow shit plants. So when I spend a lot on beans, I definitely take less risk. But with these freebie beans, you definitely could take more risk and try a lot of things that you've been dying to try. So that's what I do in the summertime. I go ahead and grow these freebie beans, and it be a cheap grow. And sometimes you find some die-hard winners, and you can always re-veg that lady out. So for me, it's a win-win. But like always, guys, I like to start it off with Pro Mix HP. That's my go-to soil. That's what I use for almost all my grows, indoor and outdoor. It may be a waste to use it outdoor, but hey, I still use it. So that's what we're going with, Pro Mix HP. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these cups filled up, and I'm gonna get right back with you guys. Let's go. Now that we got everything filled up, once again, I'm gonna give you guys a rundown. We will be doing RS11 from North Atlantic Seed Company. It's a white label, RS11. We will be doing Necromancer Kush from Dirty Bird Genetics. It was a freebie seed I got with a pack, I can't remember. And we also will be running NASC Seeds Pandalorian. It's a gelato cross. I think it's a gelato cross with AS1S. But it's a gelato cross. So we will be running these 3 strains in the tent this time. And like I said, guys, this is a freebie grow. I didn't spend any money on these seeds. All of them came with little promotions and stuff that I ordered. And hey, I'm looking to see what these plants are gonna do. So I'm excited for this grow as well. Just like any other grow, excited because every genetics is going to be different. Every pheno will be different. That's why I like to grow at least 2 phenos of each plant, because usually you'll have a frosty one and then you'll have one that's not. Or either you'll have a tall one and you'll have a short one that's more indica leaning and one that's more sativa leaning. So it's always a different variety of plants every time you drop a different seed. So I like to do 2. And honestly, I think it greatens your chances of actually finding something that you will like. Because as we know, every plant you pop, every seed that you plant is not guaranteed to be fire. It's just the luck of the draw, really, honestly, with growing. Like, you can grow the perfect plant, but it doesn't mean it's gonna taste good or smoke good. It's the luck of the draw. Or the breeder that you pick actually love their job and they put time into their craft and ran their strain out. And no matter what seed you pop, it's actually gonna be a good one. Now, that could be the case, but a lot of times when you purchase seeds online from breeders, that's not going to be the case. So definitely think that you could save yourself some headache if you pop more than 1 seed of one strain. But like I said, gang, it's still the luck of the draw. Because if you smoke a lot, then you like pressure. But it's not a guarantee you will grow pressure every time. But it's a process. And then eventually you'll find something that you really, really like. And then you can just re-veg it or clone it out. And then you got you. So it's just a growth. It's a process. It's nothing fast because obviously these grows take time. But I'm going to go ahead and get these seeds locked in. And I'll check in with you guys shortly. Let's go. See, gang, we planting our last 2 plants, which will be the RS11 from North Atlantic Seed Company, a white label seed. And after that, the next step will be to water these ladies and get them in the veg tent and see where we go from here. So if you guys are locked in, I definitely will be coming with an update soon on this new grow, the low budget freebie seed grow by Shiesty Grows 420. But I like to say thank you to all the subscribers I got so far, and a lot more content is coming in the future. I'm locked in, and I'm gonna keep doing it. I love to grow, and hopefully you guys do too, and love to see it. So just a quick rundown. This is a new grow, low budget, freebie seed grow. We will be running a gelato cross by Atlas Seeds called Pandalorian. We will be running Necromancer Kush by Dirty Bird Genetics, and RS11 by North Atlantic Seed Company, a white label seed. So if you're new and it's your first time stopping by the channel, go ahead and subscribe up, hit that like button, leave your boy a comment, and if you ain't new, still comment, let your boy know if you're feeling any of the new strains that I'm growing. It's Shiesty Grows 420, and I'm out.
Just subscribe.